welcome to a new Disneyland Paris vlog, and this time I'm with Sarah Louise Porter's group with Outgoing, and even though she unfortunately cannot be here, Matthew's come along and we've got the reps, Laura and Steph, taking us along for the next 3 days, and it's going to be so exciting. We're staying in the Hotel Santa Fe, been awake for about 100 hours. A lot of us didn't know each other on the trip. I'm sharing my room with a lovely girl called Beth. This is the bathroom, Hotel Santa Fe, and it's Cars themed. Super duper cool. I haven't stayed in this hotel before, so I was really excited. The theming is just so cute. Love it. It's quite a small room, but you've got your stuff to put your clothes there. Another little mirror here. There's 2 double beds. There's cute little Cars border around the edge. These lights are so cute. And this picture is super duper cute. Yeah. And this is Beth. Hi. She's got the cutest ears on. And this is cute as well. How many times am I saying cute? 100 times. Yeah, so we're just gonna go to the Disneyland Hotel and meet up with everybody and have tea. My mum. This is Laura. Say hi.
Hi, girl. Well, I'm a little bit loud. Sorry, I didn't want it to be that crazy.
No, girl, I love it. It's so cute. The Christmassy theming as well.
Love it.
Love it. The tinsel in your hair, girl. Christmassy.
Try and get as pretty as I can.
On our way to the Disney Hotel. Not in focus.
Tea.
That's okay.
Tea and chocolate.
Tea and chocolate.
Tea and chocolate. Yeah. Oh, do you not?
So pretty.
Oh, bless you.
He's doing the vlog. Say hi, Matthew.
Hey, hi Matthew.
This is Sarah's other half. He's vlogging for her because he's a sweetheart. Vlogging you, vlogging me. Disneyland Hotel! Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. One day I will stay there. Christian Labour, if you're watching this, get on booking.com, my darling. So weird, because literally the other day I was sat at home watching Helena and Martin's vlogs in Disney, and I was like, oh, I'm going to be there soon, and now I'm here. It's so weird because I'm not with Christian, or I'm with new people, which is great. But it's just all new. But oh my god, listen to the music. I love it so much. Look at the twinkling lights. Oh god, I'm getting emotional now. Oh my god, look at it. I need to take a picture. I've lost everybody now because I was taking pictures of the hotel. Going into the Disneyland Hotel. Cannot wait to see the gingerbread house and the Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look at these. Oh, God. I love this place. Oh. Are we ready? Oh. Oh, that hidden Mickey. Can you see? Oh, so nice. We just had tea in the Disneyland hotel. Now we are off to the Rainforest Cafe to get some dinner. This is Steph. She's my new friend. Yeah. Look how pretty it looks. Wonderful time. I'm so tired. We've all like run off like no sleep, maybe an hour at max. So we're going back to the room. Get ready to be up for 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so see you in the morning. Just heading into Disneyland Park, and oh my gosh, it's a beautiful morning. It's a bit frosty, but it's a good morning. Frosty leaves. Woo! We're going in. Gosh, this is where it gets totes the most. Oh, look at it! Oh my god. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh wow. Look. Oh. Minnie and Mickey. Donald and Daisy. Wow. Never get soft. Why do I feel emotional? Jeez. Look at this tree. Wow. Chip and Dale. Look how cute these two are. Look at that. I'm home, Mum. I made it home. When you know, you know, you know? The boss man. Wave at us. Nope. She was grumpy. She was grumpy. Look at the Christmas ducks. Oh. I found the bag. Oh, here. You pulled. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love it. Oh. I've lost my new pals. I've just been taking it all in. Again, it feels weird not to walk down here without Christian, but it's perfect. Look at the bakery, all the treats in the window. Ah, the sun is shining. Ah, what a beautiful Disney day. Look. Ah. Daisy, Plaza Gardens. Oh look, and there's Mickey's birthday cupcake. Taking a detour, but look, here's Mickey's birthday cupcake. Wow, so cute. So I'm actually off to do something bloody exciting. I'm going to get my annual pass. I'm so excited. I've been debating this. I've been like, will I go that much? Will I have the time? Will I have the money? But I'm just going to do it and then make it happen, you know? Shout out to Laura Rose Treasures, who made these handmade ears for me. They're my favourite thing. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Yeah, so I've just come to the Euro, I don't want to say it wrong, Euro Passport Annual. I hope it's open actually. Wanted to cry. They couldn't give me my couldn't sort my annual pass out because I didn't have my IBAN number, and I went on my online banking and it wasn't on there, and I had my card, I had my passport, so I don't know where I could find it, and then I tried ringing Nationwide and it wasn't working, so I couldn't get it, so I'll have to come again and get it again. I've lost the group now, so I'm on my own, but couldn't be too sad because you're in Disneyland Paris. Oh, and it's so lush, I love it here. So I'm just trying to find the group. Look at the castle. Following the schedule, I think they're at Peter Pan's flight. So hopefully I can just join them in the queue. If not, then I don't know what to do. Oh. Meet Mickey is 90 minutes. Here's another Mickey cupcake. Look at that. Look at this as well. Cute. So nightmare number 2. Well, not nightmare. I went to Peter Pan's flight and the guys are in the queue, so I can't just push in. So I got a fast pass. It's not till 12:30. So I will do Peter Pan, but I'll be doing it on my own at 12:30. So now I'm just wandering around. Just going to take some cute pictures of things until they are off the road, I suppose. Maybe I'll treat myself to a treat. Do you know what? I'm going to do that. I'm going to treat myself to a snack because I'm on my own. And I'm not cross about it though because you're in Disneyland. And it's a lovely day. I'm not cold. I've got my ears on. I'm not at work. Look. Look at the teapot. Oh. I might get a snack. I'm going for it. Oh, it's closed. It's not meant to be today, is it? It's not. No. No, it is. Let's try the windmill. Oh, it looks closed as well. I'm going to stop and take some pictures of things. People are staring at me when I'm looking on my own as well. I'm in Disneyland, I'm in Disney. So while I wait for them to finish off the Peter Pan's ride, I'm just going to go on Casey Jr., which is one of mine and Christian's faves. I'm going to try and sit at the back so I can go backwards, but it's such a cute little train. Actually quite fast at the back. I don't know the words. Oh! It's quite fun going backwards. Castle, woo! Casey Jr.'s back. Casey Jr.'s back. Oh, the boat ride! Casey Jr.'s back. Casey Jr. get someone to take a picture of us. That was cute. Whilst I was on my own, went on Casey Jr., then bumped into Tangled, Rapunzel. So, yeah, I'm gonna go find friends though because it's a bit lonely. Oh, there was this cutest little girl who was waiting to meet, who saw Rapunzel after I did, and she was wearing a Rapunzel dress. And she was like, Mum, it's Rapunzel! Mum, it's Rapunzel! And could have cried. That's what Disney is all about, my loves. Hello! Hi! We're on Peter Pan! Nana doggy! Nana! Oh, I love this ride. Adventureland! We just watched the Christmas parade. It was lush. Lost again. If it's just me here, and I'm not with Christian, I'm running around like a headless chicken. I'm supposed to be going to meet Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas in his Christmas outfit.
I'm just gonna wait for the group. Thank you. Good Christmas.
Every girl's dream, every girl's fantasy is to one day wake up and be somebody special.
We just watched the Princess Waltz and it was amazing. I got emotional. I felt like I was gonna cry. And we're now heading to, we're running because we have a fast pass for Big Thunder Mountain. So we're just running before that ends. And yeah, it was my first time watching the Christmas Princess Waltz and it was stunning. It was so nice. Loved it. Recommend. We're on Pyro!
Hi.
And there's Captain Jack's restaurant. Does a great curry. Yes.
A fire is life for me.
We're just done Pirates and now we're heading over to Phantom Manor. And there's a little bit next to it that I haven't seen before called Booth Hill, and apparently you can touch the gravestone and you can feel the Phantom's heartbeat. I've not done that before, so we'll see that too. You can see the Phantom at night, can't you, as well at the top?
Yeah, through the window.
Yeah.
Honestly, Phantom Manor and Haunted Mansion, I know far too much about. I sit at home and I watch YouTube videos and I'm like, the making of, the story of, and I watch the ride-through videos at home, and Tim comes upstairs and he went, He goes, are you riding Phantom Manor? I'm like, yes, shut up. Respect my choices.
This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
If you come out of Phantom Manor and then go left instead of going right, you get to look at the little cemetery. Oh, is this the one? Oh, yeah. You can feel the heartbeat. Oh. Thoughtful as man and wife, now silent together beyond the sky. Oh. So I've just picked up my annual pass. I found a way to do it. A bit long, but I got the number that I needed and I've got my annual pass. Yeah! I got the Infinity one, which was the most expensive, but we won't talk about it. Now I'm just going to collect my free photo pass that comes with it, and I'm bloody excited because I get to come 365 days a year. It's so pretty down here! Look how little she is. You look even littler on camera.
You see the castle?
If you go through here, behind Disney Clothiers, there is a cute little lodge. And I'm just gonna have a photo shoot because I'm a model. We just had dinner at the Delicacy. Sorry. And now we are waiting to watch the Christmas light tree switch on.
And okay, let me show you.
And then
So,
illumination.
we're gonna watch.
Look at the tree. It is beautiful.
We just watched the Christmas tree lights and it was so pretty. Oh, going on bus because it's 10 minutes. Go, go, go.
Those will all be powerless and at the mercy of Zurg. Start command.
Thank you. Oh, so who's going to win? Molly or Laura? Vote now. Go.
Look, they're ridiculous, look!
What? What? 400?
What on earth is going
What
on?
are you doing? Up in their snack game. Yummy! Laura made me buy this. Laura, reveal.
Reveal the beauty. It's gorgeous. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. What do I look like?
You look lovely with your scrunchie in the middle of the ears. Oh, look at these. Mickey.
Mickey shaped.
Yeah.
Oh.
And them ones.
Everything Mickey shaped is cute.
Yeah, sorry. In the way. It's so pretty. I'm in the lift going back to my room now. It's 10 o'clock and I'm so tired. I've been awake since God knows whatever. I'm going to end this vlog here and start another one tomorrow, so make sure you are tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe to my channel to see all my future stuff, and I will see you soon. Bye.